There are application layer protocols that still don't secure data in any way. Those include the FTP protocol or email protocols, POP3, SMTP. This means that all data is sent in clear text. Anyone who has access to the channel can intercept it. The second risk is connected to the service. Many services allow you to guess passwords. On the internet, you'll find programs that make this process automatic. Brutus is one of the most popular. In this program, you will just enter the address of the server you want to connect to and then the server type, for example, POP3, and indicate the file with the usernames and passwords. The program will check all possibilities until it finds a match. No protocol of any of the layers provides protection against password guessing attacks. Now we'll say a few words about the SSH protocol. This protocol allows us to gain remote access to the system through a secure channel, unlike Telnet. SSH differs from HTTPS because it's used by programs that do not verify certificates while establishing a connection. Digital keys are used instead. You connect to the server, and its identity is confirmed by the key, as you can see. You need to check if this is really a key of the server you want to connect to. If you don't, it makes you susceptible to the man-in-the-middle attack. Someone could capture your request. In consequence, you would connect to the attackers. They would forward your request. By accepting the key above, you save it in your local storage. From now on, the computer will always view this connection as trusted. The problem is that the computer must identify remote hosts. It is rather unclear for the end user. During this presentation, we had a chance to talk about the protocols of the highest layers of the OSI model. We discussed the dangers connected to these protocols. The issues were related to encoding, the null byte injection in particular. We have also seen how to gain additional information about the services and users of computer systems. We've talked about the denial of service attacks which may be carried out with the use of DHCP protocol. Thank you.